Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a cool new item that you can get at Daiso, or I actually got this one in the other 100 yen store called Seiria. And this is just a nice little collection of pre-cut paper that you can use to make the famous little lucky stars that you see so many times. And these are just really cute, and if you get the hang of how to make them, you can turn out quite a few of them, and it looks really cute to fill up a whole jar full of them. This has 60 pieces of paper in it, and it's got these nice neon colors. There's yellow, green, pink, red, and orange as your choices, it looks like there. And it gives you a nice chance to make lots of different little lucky stars. And then it has the instructions here too, kind of easy little way so that you know how to make them. And I just thought it was nice because, you know, it's always sort of a pain to have to, you know, cut the strips of paper to the right size. And using this kind of paper is really nice because it tends to work a little easier when you're trying to make this than using some other kinds of paper might be. So I wanted you guys to see it. This is only 100 yen for this. So if you wanted to make a whole lot of these little guys, you could buy a couple of them easily and it wouldn't be that expensive either, which is nice. So another alternative, if you are interested in making these little guys and you want to use paper, if you do a lot of crafting and you have scraps, it's always good to save what's left over from cutting. But I've found it can be hard to get really nice, long, thin pieces like this when you do crafting. Usually you have little tiny little squares everywhere. And those are great for small projects and things. But for this kind of a thing, I think you really need to have, like it says here, this is, you know, almost about a 12 millimeters, so 1.2 centimeters by 25.5 centimeters. So it's a really nice, good long piece. You can't even get that from regular origami projects because that's only, origami paper is only 15 centimeters. So this is a nice, good long variation for that. So if you guys are in Japan and you are going to be doing some shopping, you have to check out the 100 yen stores. Daiso and Seiria and others, they have such an amazing collection of things. You'd be missing out on your whole trip if you don't go to check it out. So definitely recommend it for you guys. I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!